Hello, hello, welcome back, y'all. My name is Janae, and I play Jada on the Quarantine Chronicles. And today we are back for another Quarantini of the week. With this Quarantini, we're actually going to use a tequila base, which we have not done before, but we're going to mix it up and make it a little bubbly with some champagne. This is called our U.N.I.T.Y, basically because we're bringing all these different flavor profiles to combine to create a yummy drink. All right, so let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour a full shot glass of the tequila. Next, I'm gonna do about half a shot glass of the blue curacao. So it's gonna be about an ounce. Give it a little color. Next, we're gonna do lime juice, give it a little tartness, and you can do between about a quarter to a half of the lime juice. Again, that's just kind of depending on how tart you like it. I like a tart drink, so I'm going with half. And you have your ice in there. Gonna go ahead, top that, taste it. It's always the most fun part. Once you're done, we're gonna pour that into a champagne flute. The nice blue color. And of course, it's not gonna fill all the way to the top because we're gonna top it off with our bubbly, with some champagne. Yes. That is. Cheers. It's so good, y'all, especially if you like just that hint of tequila. It's a surprise mixture that really hits the spot. So I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you next week. Oh, yeah. It's going to be popping tonight.